Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from your external hard drive to your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now, before you can begin, all you have to do is simply connect your external hard drive to your Redmi Note 14. So I've done a video on how to connect them both, so I'll link it in the description. And then once you have connected your hard drive, all you have to do is simply launch the file manager application, or you can launch the files app on your device. So whichever application you'd like to use is pretty much the same. So I'll just use the file manager application. So tap on it. And then from the options that appear, simply tap on the storage at the bottom right corner. And then from the storage, scroll down until you find your USB hard drive. So for me, it's here. So it's showing two options because I had partitioned my hard drive, so I can see two options of them. So all you have to do is simply select your hard drive from the options that appear. So I'll just tap on it, and then you can see a list of all the files within your hard drive. Now, if you'd like to transfer a file from your hard drive to your Redmi Note 14, all you have to do is find that particular file within the USB hard drive. So let's say, for instance, I want to transfer this particular files, these 5 of them. So I'll just long press on them, long press on the file to get to this option, and then select all the files that you'd like to transfer. So let's say all those files. And then all you have to do is simply tap on move if you'd like to move them from your hard drive to your Redmi Note 14. But if you'd like to copy the files, you can simply tap on the more option at the bottom right corner, and then from the options that appear, simply tap on copy. So if you want to move them, select move. If you want to copy, simply tap on copy. So for me, I'll just copy, tap on copy, and then choose the destination for those particular files. Now, since you're transferring from the hard disk to your Redmi Note 14, so all you have to do is simply select internal shared storage, tap on that, and then choose the folder that you'd like to move those particular items or copy those particular items to. Now, if you'd like to create a new folder, you can simply tap on the folder with the plus icon at the top right corner, and then write the name of that particular folder and tap on OK, and that will create another folder for that particular on your Redmi Note 14 rather. So since I already created a folder, all I have to do is simply find the folder. So tap on the folder that you'd like. And then within that folder, all you have to do is simply tap on the check mark at the top right corner. And that will begin the copying process or the moving process of those files from the external hard drive to your Redmi Note 14. So depending on how big your files are, it might take a while. So let's just wait. Now, once the transfer is complete, you can simply find that particular folder and you can see all the transferred items. So let me find that particular folder. So this is it. Tap on it, and you can see we have successfully transferred files from the external hard drive to your Redmi Note 14. You can tap on the opt file and you can see what it's all about. You can do the same with documents and other files that you'd like to transfer from external hard drive to your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to transfer files from your external hard drive to your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.